How to add C++ to Visual Studio Code. If you want to add C++ language on Visual Studio Code, then follow this instruction. First, make sure that you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your laptop. After that, go to Launchpad and find Visual Studio Code app. After you open this app, you'll see this welcome page, and here on the left side you can see different options. Click on this last option here which says extensions. After that, to add C++ on Visual Studio Code, you can click on the search bar and type in C++. Now you'll see these different options. Simply click on the C/C++ option here. So this is the C++ language that you can add on Visual Studio Code, and here you can see this install option. Click on install. It may take some time to install this on your Visual Studio Code, and after it has been installed, you will see this different option: disable, uninstall, or switch to pre-release version. So this is how you can know that you have successfully installed C++ on Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.